everyone, my name is Ridwan and today we will be learning how to play Hot Cross Buns with the ukulele using chords. So before we learn how to play Hot Cross Buns, it's important that you know a couple of rules. So the way you hold a guitar pick is using your index finger and your thumb. You hold it, making the pointy part sideways, ensuring that you have a clear strum and it's easier. So the way you hold a ukulele is, if you're right-handed, you put it on your right thigh. If you're left-handed, you put it on your left thigh. Also, a ukulele has strings starting from the bottom. So this would be 1, 2, 3, and 4. As well as this, a ukulele has these columns called frets, and this would be fret 1, 2, 3, and so on. You put your finger through the in between the frets, indicating where you should play. So, for example, C, which is the chord we're going to learn now, is on the first string and on the 3rd fret using your ring finger. So you strum from the top to the bottom downwards. That is how it should sound. Now we will learn how to play the F chord, which is you use your middle finger on the 2nd fret, 4th string, and your index finger on the 1st fret, 2nd string. Make sure that your fingers are arched to make a nice clean sound for F. And now we will switch between F and C, and make sure you go slow at first. Once you've done that a couple of times, now we can play Hot Cross Buns. Hot Cross Buns, Hot Cross Buns, one ukulele, Hot Cross Buns. Thank you for watching and have fun practicing.